Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App, and more specifically, we're talking about how to unblock someone on Cash App. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Cash App, it is one of the more popular peer-to-peer payment systems. So a lot of folks will use it if you're paying a family member or a friend, or maybe giving them money as a gift, or maybe splitting a bill with somebody at a restaurant. With Cash App, you can send people money almost instantaneously. It's usually received within a few seconds. But what if you block someone and now you want to unblock them? That's what we're going to talk about and show the steps on how to do that. First off, I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. It's this green and white one right here. It's called Cash App. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, or you can easily go to the Google Play or App Store. I'm going to open the app now. Alright, so I went ahead and opened up the app. This is the home screen. So here you can change your settings, you can pay someone, you can request money, it shows your balance, a lot of different things here on the home screen, but we're not going to worry about that. What we're talking about is unblocking someone. First off, why would you block someone? Well, that's an easy question to answer. A lot of times you'll block someone if they keep sending requests over and over again. Sometimes you'll have to block someone if they're sending requests for money if you don't know who they are. Or possibly somebody did something really horrible to you and you don't want them to have contact with you at all, even through Cash App. But what if you make amends with that person and you want to unblock them? Or what if you accidentally block the wrong person? How do you unblock them? It's pretty easy. What you want to do is go ahead and go down to the transaction section, which is right here on the bottom right. It says menu button right here. It looks like a clock. I'm going to click there now. All right, so here is the activity screen. So you can see recent transaction for your account. And this person here at the top, they sent me a request for $10 for pizza. I'm not sure who exactly that person is, but I went ahead and blocked them to avoid them from sending messages and requests over and over again. So I'm going to go ahead and use them as an example on how to unblock your contact from Cash App. So it's pretty easy. What you want to do is go ahead and click on the transaction. So I'm going to click on this $10 transaction now. All right, I went ahead and clicked on the transaction. As you can see, they asked for $10 for pizza. That was today, and it shows their cashtag name. And what you want to do is click these three little dots up here, and that's going to bring up another drop-down menu. I'm going to click there now. All right, so it brings up this drop-down menu, and then you have these three options: support, web receipt, and unblock this person. So if you want this person to come back into your life via Cash App, what you do is click unblock this person. I'm going to click there now. All right, it's thinking. All right, I went ahead and clicked that, and then it brought me back to the activity screen automatically. And now that person can send me requests, and I can also send them payments and requests through Cash App. Also, another interesting thing is once you unblock the person, then they will show up right here on the most recent contacts along the cross line of your activity screen. So that is how you unblock someone on Cash App. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But as far as I know, that's the easiest way to unblock somebody on Cash App. Hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.